This is nalastasiaa.
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 Today we're reading the Waikiki.
The what?
The Waikiki.
The Waikiki. The Waikiki.
The Waikiki.
Waikiki. I've like not been doing a lot of physical reading. I did a lot of audiobook listening this week because my hyperfixation be hyperfixating. And that's all I can think about. Yes. Anytime I try and sit down in front of the book, I'm just literally thinking about Baldur's Gate. So that's where my brain's been. I'm starting to get a little bit more into Wicked King. I'm only like chapter 9. But it's getting to the point where, because like for me, no matter, even if it is like the second book in a series that I'm jumping into immediately after the first, and I have such a hard time with it. Definitely not gonna have it done before the end of the night. So this vlog might go up a little bit late. I'm gonna do a little bit of reading and then I'm gonna catch up with you after everybody's asleep so that I can really flesh out my thoughts about Gilded Cage and why I will not be continuing with the Blood Trader, because I just can't put myself through that. Hey friends. I finished the Gilded Cage. Oh god. And I have some thoughts. Like too many thoughts if I'm being honest here. Absolutely nothing shocked me from this book except for the amount of spite that I have had to persevere through it. Not once did Kiva stop to realize the red flags of her own family. I mean, her own sister literally gave so many red flags from the moment that they met. Sorry, I'm launching PG-13 right now. Nothing shocks you. The good guys are the good guys and the bad guys are the bad guys. There's no morally gray areas at all within this. Even though Kiva might try and convince herself, but it's just, how naive do you have to be to think that a coup of rebels is not going to do something to like hurt your loved ones, the people that you seem to love the most? She just thinks that it's gonna be a peaceful step down and Jaren and the rest of the Valentes family are gonna be like, oh yeah, you want the crown? That's cool. You can have it. We're just gonna go live in this country for the rest of our days and just not bother you anymore. Like, does she not realize that the rebels literally are out to unalive the Valentes family and their entire line? Like, does she not realize that? That's what happens in coups? I don't know what she thinks. She's like, oh, I don't want to hurt them. I don't want to betray their trust. Girl, you're literally plotting their deaths. You're literally plotting their deaths. And you don't. Kiva, think about it for a second. Kiva has more chemistry with a wall than she does with Jaren. But even more so, she has more chemistry with Jaren's cousin, Calden, than she actually has with Jaren. I'm like low-key kind of rooting for Calden a little bit. He is the only character that has a little bit of crumbs of what could be like a character arc, because nobody else's characters have changed from book 1 to book 2, and I really doubt they'll change from book 3. I was looking at reviews on Goodreads and people were like, oh, this is so fast-paced, so innovative and new. I love these characters. There's so much depth to them. And I'm like, where are you seeing this? This is what made me think that this book series was gonna be so good. Where are you seeing this? Kiva like really is the embodiment of that Pikachu meme who's like, what? As if it is the consequences of your own actions, Kiva. I'm not gonna read the third one. I'm done with the series. The pacing on this one, I do have to say, it was a little bit better. It wasn't quite as repetitive, had no flavor to it, very bland. It was salt and pepper and that's it. That's all that they put on the, no, not even garlic salt, just salt and pepper is all that the chicken got seasoned with. You know what I mean? What a waste of 30 hours. 26 hours, I think, somewhere around there. I'm so done to be over with that. I am enjoying the Wicked King though. It's going good. I don't know what I am on tonight. It's that BG3 high, man. I'm gonna play some Baldur's Gate. You already know. Good girl. I am halfway through The Wicked King now, and I just have to say, it's been a while since I've actually felt enticed in wanting to annotate a book. And I mean, they're not serious annotations that I'm making, but I'm enjoying this book enough to where I want to make annotations. And I think the last time that I felt that was Children of Fallen Gods was the last time that I like sat down and really annotated. That just goes to show how much I'm really enjoying this. Like I said, halfway through, I'm thinking maybe I can finish today. It's less than 200 pages. Yeah, less than 200, so I should definitely be able to finish this today. I've gotten some cleaning done for today. I also started a new audiobook, Song of the Marked, but I'm gonna talk more about that in the next vlog because I did start it technically yesterday, which is supposed to roll into the next vlog. I devoured over 200 pages today. Simply, it felt like nothing because it just flowed so effortlessly. My heart feels like it got ripped out a little bit. But what is a good fantasy without some betrayal? You know what I mean? Oh, so good, so tasty, so scrumptious. Yet again, did not disappoint. Yet again, Holly Black does it. You know what? I said I wasn't gonna read Queen of Nothing this week, but I'm kind of just feeling like reading Queen of Nothing. It's honestly not even... It's shorter than The Wicked King, and it does wrap up the trilogy. I mean... Yeah, I'm gonna start it this week. I'm gonna start it tonight. So good. Scrum-diddly yum yum. Because I just cannot... I'm not gonna be able to stop thinking about this, so I'm just gonna dive into it, get it over with. That sounds really bad. Not at all what I mean in like a negative connotation at all, but like I would not be able to rest knowing that this is in my hands and I am not reading it. I'm picking something else. I just wouldn't be able to focus or give that other book, give A Dowry of Blood the attention that it deserves. So I'll be moving on to the Queen of Nothing, but also I'm still reading A Song of the Marked. I hope that you guys have an excellent week, a beautiful day, and of course, stay excellente. Boom.